Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be making Italian tiramisu. Firstly, add 4 egg yolks to a mixing bowl, then add in 50 grams of sugar. Then whisk on a medium speed. Add 500 grams of mascarpone and whisk again on a medium speed. In a separate bowl, add 4 egg whites and 50 grams of sugar. Now you'll want to whisk it on a high speed until you achieve stiff peaks. Next, add the egg whites to the mascarpone. Fold them together. In a separate bowl, add 300 ml of freshly brewed coffee. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar and mix well. Now it's time to assemble the tiramisu. Start with the layer of mascarpone. Soak 300 grams of sponge fingers in the coffee and form the next layer of the tiramisu. Now it's time to do another layer of the mascarpone. Next is the final layer of the sponge fingers. Now you can do the final layer of the mascarpone. Finally, dust cocoa powder over the top of the tiramisu. Now the tiramisu is finished, it's time to put it into the fridge to set overnight. It's time to cut the tiramisu into portions. Make sure to push the knife all the way through. That's delicious. I think I'll have more.